I want to tell you this. You're so worthy of more. You're so loved. You deserve everything that you are looking for. And it's not about you believing me, you see. It's about you believing in yourself. It's about you recognizing your own essence here. It's about feeling. It's not so much about the mind. It's not so much about, hey, I need to understand fully what she is saying. It's about, can you feel it, right? And if you can't feel the love, if you can't feel it, can you open up a bit more? Can you open up a little bit more to yourself? Can you shine a little bit more? Can you love yourself just a bit more? Can you speak up for yourself just a bit more? Can you give yourself some grace? Do you allow yourself to just be and not so much in doing? Can you allow yourself in the month of December to just breathe? Sounds so simple, right? People are looking for difficult practices whatsoever. Some of them are very simple. You see, they're very simple, very easy. And the only thing you need is yourself. Maybe someone who guides you next to that. And then you can tap into your own essence. Because that alone will heal you. And it will start to show you who you actually are and what you're capable of. The past no longer needs to bother you. You can actually, every single time something comes up, you can work with that and let it go again, let it go again. Even if that means you're doing it 50 times, but this doesn't mean you're punishing yourself for the rest of the life for the same things that are coming up, showing up. This is a constant evolving. You're evolving all the time, every day, every minute. But it needs your awareness to really let this in. Allowing yourself to be more creative, allowing yourself to show up more for yourself. Be here, be present. Learn to do meditation. This is such a big deal. And I don't mean the temple meditation, right? The stillness meditation where no thought, just pure consciousness, nothing else. That's great. And I love that territory. I love it. However, there are other meditations that involve way more movement, way more shaking, breathing, dancing. There is so much more on this world for you. It's right in front of you. Are you ready to let go of the old self? It's December. I can feel that there has been so much stuff right in front of me. And I'm so happy that I can release it all And not because I want to push it away, but because I know there is something new waiting for me. And that's here for everybody. You see, that's not only me, that's you too. You can do that too. You can shake off your skin and start new. So learn to see yourself in a more loving way. That is my deepest wish for everybody in 2024. Well, even in this year, hello, and the years going on forward. Learn to love yourself more every single day. Because that alone will show you ways to heal, ways to grow, ways to open, ways to cleanse, ways to release, you see. And so many repressed emotions will actually show up at one point, and handling them gracefully, loving yourself for just who you are in that moment, and seeing that emotion coming up and not just saying, oh gosh, again, really seriously, I'm done. Just see it as what it is. There is no punishment, there is growth just behind that door. There is aspects you haven't seen, and that's why it's showing up. It's simple and not, it's all and everything. It's about recognizing that life has sometimes it hard and challenging times, but there is also so much transformation happening. That's where you can shine the most. That's where you are getting elevated from, I don't know, it's like skyrocket, right? You can really dive into that and just see what comes up and what wants to be released. Can I release some family dynamics? Some stuff right now, in especially those holiday seasons, that I'm willing to let go, willing, ready. Not in an angry mood, not in a mood where, she has hurt me, my dad has hurt me. While you are accepting your pain, you see, you're accepting that has been so painful. It's difficult, this one, to release that and to say, okay, I'm actually going to prepare myself for those holiday conversations. I'm going to speak up in a whole new way. I'm going to open up my heart. I'm going to anchor myself into the ground. I'm going to be there, grounded, calm. I will look at them and I will be the best version I can to show up for myself. I don't want to get angry. I don't want to get upset. But when I see it's coming up, I'm not repressing it. I'm allowing myself to feel it while I'm not reacting on it. It's very, very different. So these last days of December, how about we shine, huh? How about we shine together? Let's shine as bright as we can and show the world who we are. Show everybody who you are, allowing them to be themselves too, showing up as themselves, speaking up, using their voice. Use your voice, right? All right, that's it. That's it, I think. if we don't hear each other again, then I so wish you a happy new year, Merry Christmas, enjoy, laugh, smile, feel the love here, feel it all. And yeah, one single note. Hey, if you feel that my teachings may be supportive for you, then go on my website and find the one-on-one coachings. Maybe that's something for you that you want to discover. Until then, I'm so happy when you subscribe or when you share a message down below. Let me know how this message has made you feel. And I see you next time. Thank you so much. And I really appreciate you. I really do. Thank you so much. All right. Bye-bye.